tell by the title and by the thumbnail, I'm here to review another subscription box, Steel to Reel. Just a breakdown on what Steel to Reel is: a survival, outdoor, adventure, gear subscription box that includes hunting, fishing, survival food, survival gear, that sort of stuff. So figured this might be something fun to try. Just like many subscription boxes, there's options to choose from. With Steel to Reel, there are 4 tiers. There is Survivor Level 1, Survivor Plus Level 2, Survivor Pro Level 3, and Survivor Elite Level 4. For me, I went with the Survivor Pro, and the monthly amount for that is $129.88 plus shipping and handling. If you go with the quarterly or 3-month package, it is $117.99 plus shipping and handling. And if you commit to 12 months, every box each month will cost you $98.99 plus shipping and handling. There's several things that I really liked about what I saw on Steel to Reel's website, and that was you are guaranteed brand named gear, not cheap knockoffs. They're also guaranteeing that you'll see 30% more value in what you purchase. The reason I went with Survivor Pro seemed like a nice round number. You're guaranteed anywhere from 6 to 12 items, with 1 to 2 of them being at the higher end, with a value of up to $180. Let's see how this goes. I am going to put this up to $180 value to the test. All right, so there's nothing on this outside box to indicate that it's Steel to Reel. I did not open it. It looks like I did. I started to, but they decided not to. All right, so here we go. Whoa, it looks like there's quite a bit in here. All right, I'm going to move this box over to the side here, like so. Pull out this first box. All right, My Medic Super Bivy, the best first aid supply on the planet. Stay alive. Stay alive. All right, so next item in the box. This is the Atomic Bear, Prepare to Survive. And it is a, well, let's open it up. It looks like some sort of fire starter or a tinder of some kind. Maybe a waterproof wick of some sort. It's called a fire wand. So that's a wax-coated, sinewy type rope. I don't know. Look online, see what this is all about. But this is a hand torch, I guess. Quick fire, excuse me. 3 pouches, 3 fire starters. What do we got here? We got a wilderness survival card. Whoa, that is pretty freaking cool. I like that. Looks like we got some fishing hooks. Wow, that is cool. Some a saw blade of some kind. Looks like a little arrowhead. You can use. Looks like you could lash. There's some single hooks on there. Wow, that is pretty cool. That is neat. That is not super heavy, but let's see. It includes 5 arrows, 2 sewing needles, 3 saw blades, 9 fish hooks, 4 snare locks, 1 awl, and 1 pair of tweezers. So that is pretty cool. Looks like your snare locks and your sewing. All right, what do we got next? The Super Wipe, super massive wet wipe. Check that out. For when you didn't properly sterilize your drinking water. Use Super Wipe. Got Atomic Bear Cobra Survival Bracelets. I can't say I'm super pumped about a survival bracelet, to be honest, but it looks like. All right, EDC Illumination, a ultra bright EDC microlight, waterproof, glow in the dark silicone diffuser cap. Not a bad looking little flashlight. Not bad. Pretty cool. I wish I could turn it on here. Oh, yeah, looks like you can. Pretty cool. Oh, man. It's a bag of some kind. Red Rock Outdoor Gear Genuine Tactical Pack. Plenty of loops on here, daisy chains, whatever you want to call them. And it's cool looking, stealthy black color. Opens up too, so. So you can definitely put a bladder in there. I am going to take a look at these values and I will be right back. Here is the deal. Now obviously I haven't used any of this gear, so I can't tell you if it's great. For the most part, it all looks pretty solid. Super Bivy is cool. Definitely put that in my 10 essentials. That's a $24.50 item from their website. Super wipes, those were $2.50. That's one super wipe for $2.50. The Ready Man survival card, that is $7.95 on their website. The Atomic Bear fire wand is $11.99 on Amazon. So the Atomic Bear bracelets are on Amazon as well. 2 of them for $13.99. The Quick Survive Quick Fire fire starters. The smallest package I could find on their website was a 12 pack for $14.99. So I did the math. A 3 pack should probably cost around $3.75. The Tackware TW100, $25.99 is the value on that. The assault bag comes in on Amazon at $52.99. All this gear comes in at a value of $158.61. 30% plus more value than what you paid. 30% of 130, is that 160? Maybe it is. 30%. Yeah, I guess it is. So they're hitting the mark there. There's definitely quality stuff here. The Red Rock bag looks solid. I mean, you could drag it behind your ATV, and you know who I'm talking about, and you could proof this. It's pretty solid. So my conclusion is you're definitely getting your money's worth, but you got to be prepared to get stuff that you might not be all that excited about getting. Not excited about these. The fire starters, they're great. The fire wand is interesting. Just, I don't think it's something I would carry. I would carry fire starters and a crap load of matches and a couple lighters. You're into wipes, absolutely a plus. This sweet bivy, definitely a plus. And the flashlight, like I said, I'd say this is my biggest. When I saw that this was $26 on their website, marked down from $30, it just better be really freaking good for $26. So anyways, last thing, Steel Reel. I think it seems like a legit company. It definitely gets some good gear. You're getting your money's worth. It's fun to be surprised. It's like Christmas. It's like your birthday. You might not be expecting a assault bag, but hey, grandma gets you an assault bag and you're like, oh, thanks, grandma. That's awesome. I got this from grandma. And you'll use it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got questions, leave it down in the comments. I appreciate you tuning in. You guys have an awesome 2022. And that's it.